After being on YouTube for some time, I definitely have discovered that there are some strategic videos that you need to make sure that you have on your channel if you are an online business owner. Welcome back to my channel. Tamia Dawkins here. Super excited that you are here with me in this space. And if you've never seen my face before, I would love to invite you to go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell. On my channel, we talk about all things connected to living the intentional lady life so that you can build a life and a business that I know that you'll absolutely love. So in today's training video, we're going to talk about 7 top video ideas that you need to be filming if you are an online business owner as well as a YouTuber. These are the must-haves that you have to make sure that you sit down and film. Let's go ahead and get into it. I want to make sure that you are clear about the fact that if you are serious about doing YouTube as an online business owner, that is absolutely amazing. But you have to make sure that you stay in the area of your niche. When I'm talking about placing videos on your channel that have nothing to do with the topics that you have maybe originally said that your channel is about. So for instance, if you're saying that you're doing digital marketing on your channel, helping people to be able to build their online businesses, we should not see cooking videos that come up every now and again. Start a new channel. You don't want people to get super confused about what it is that they're viewing on your channel. If people subscribe to your channel, it's basically because of the fact that they are interested in the niche that you went ahead and marketed in the first place. So let's go ahead and get that straight. A lot of times when people hear you talk about making sure that they stay in their niche, they get super duper, nervous about staying in their niche, but really it is an advantage to stay in your niche because really you only have to find video ideas that have to do with the thing that you are an expert at doing or teaching. So I just wanted to put that out there that you don't want to be doing videos not related to your channel. Make sure that you stick to your niche. So the first wonderful videos that you can do on your channel, especially if you are a business owner and you just so happen to be a YouTuber at the same time, specifically an online business owner, you want to make sure that you do a lot of how-to videos and also tutorials showing people how to walk through the steps of getting to the goal that they definitely want to be able to succeed at. And so this would definitely look like how to start your online business, or maybe if you're trying to show them different things with regards to YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel, how to upload a YouTube video. You want to definitely do how-to videos because people are always searching on YouTube to try to get their pain point fulfilled. So if they see a video that's walking them through a tutorial once again, or giving them the steps of how to do something, more than likely people will watch your videos. And so one thing that I also absolutely love about how-to videos or tutorials is that you have the chance to really rack up on your watch time hours, because more than likely if you're doing a how-to video or a tutorial, your videos are usually pretty much on the long side, and if people really are into the information that you're giving, they'll usually watch the video through, and that's great for you because you have a better layer or length of retention with regards to your videos. So if you are an online business owner, you definitely want to make sure that if you're just starting your channel, you do a whole lot of how-to videos as well as tutorials. Now, if you're struggling to try to figure out how to find those video ideas, you can check out this video right here so that you can find out exactly how to pinpoint doing the keyword research to be able to find the exact titles that you need to be able to help your channel grow. Next, as an online business owner, you definitely want to do vlogging videos. With vlogging videos, you really get your audience to be able to see the back end or behind the scenes of what you do as an online business owner, and people are totally into that. If you can show people the different things that you do on a day-to-day basis and kind of walk them through your day, letting them see maybe some of the productivity software that you use, or how your office space is set up, or maybe some of the things that you do in terms of your self-care as a business owner, people will totally get into it. It's like that whole real life, live TV kind of feel, and people love to be able to see what you're doing within your life so that maybe they can apply some of those strategies to their day-to-day life as well. So vlogging videos on your YouTube channel if you are a business owner is definitely something that's amazing. And so I'll make sure that I link a video that talks about my morning routine that I did in a vlogging style right here, so you can check it out and get some ideas of how you can go ahead and do your vlogging videos on your YouTube channel if you are a business owner. Next, you can go ahead and talk about your favorite apps. This is an amazing video idea. Why? Because people are always looking for different ways they can go ahead and really get the best out of being productive. There are several hundred million productivity apps that are absolutely amazing. Some of my favorite are Trello as well as Asana, and there's also a new one that I'm exploring called ClickUp. These different productivity apps help people to be able to stay on track so that they can absolutely reach their goals. So if you do different videos talking about your top fave productivity apps, people will totally get into it. People, I'm finding more and more, are not looking to find out stuff that maybe there's no real information on. Like, they are looking for the social proof of whatever it is that they're interested in utilizing, or they're looking for reviews so that they don't waste their time with maybe something that's not working. So if you could talk about in a video idea the different productivity apps that you use that are working for you, people will totally watch this because it establishes you once again as an expert in your field. Like, you know what to do, you know what to use versus what not to even be bothered with in terms of making an investment in productivity apps. So definitely make that video, get that video idea out about how you can go ahead and share your different productivity apps or any kind of apps that have to do with your particular niche with the people that are watching your videos. Next, you want to do video ideas surrounding maybe the different things that you learned on your journey. So this could look like the 5 things that I wish I knew before I started a business, or the 5 things that you need to know before you start your business. And this really intrigues people that are on that journey of maybe starting an online business to go ahead and get the necessary things that they need to get in terms of staying on track for their business building. Once again, this really establishes you as an expert in your industry. You are helping people to gain insight and knowledge and wisdom with regards to maybe some of the holes that they don't have to fall in because of the fact that they watched your video. I love personally to listen to videos or podcasts that are really surrounding people's journey and some of the different things that they learned before and after. It really has helped me in my personal business building to maybe not necessarily make those same mistakes. So you can do several videos surrounding these particular topics that will help you to really enlighten people about the exact steps that you had to take on your personal journey. Now, this next tip really goes hand in hand for those of you that are business owners but also have podcasts. This next tip will totally help you to be able to repurpose your content, and repurposing content is something that I totally believe in. So in the description down below, I'm gonna put an amazing product that I went ahead and I put together for a great price, might I add, called the Lady Boss Content System. This productivity course will help you to be able to learn how to repurpose your content and really get clear on exactly how you can go ahead and consistently pump out the content that is needed for your online business, your niche, or whatever it is that you're doing that connects to you having to have to consistently make content. But if you can go ahead and while you're doing your podcast, just go ahead and do it in a video style as well, then you'll have the opportunity to go ahead and put out the audio for that podcast, but then at the same time you have video, so you are repurposing that content. You can post it on your YouTube channel and maybe create a playlist that is specifically for your podcast episode, so that when people come to your channel, they'll know, okay, these videos are about this on a playlist, but if I want to listen and watch her particular podcast, then I can go ahead and look on this playlist. So I think this is a great idea, once again, for making sure that you're repurposing your content, but at the same time you're kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone by making sure that you're recording while you're going ahead to do the podcast via audio. So this next video idea I think will be amazing for you as a business owner, because I guess maybe it's because of the fact that I love it. And I noticed that most entrepreneurs that set out to be successful, or that are pretty successful in their niche, they do so many things around mindset and motivation. So you want to do video ideas surrounding motivation and mindset. When you are an entrepreneur, the whole battle, okay, from the beginning towards even when you get to that place where you're really scaling in your business and you're making the money and getting the clients or the customers that you want to get, you oftentimes have to come back to making sure that your mindset is absolutely where it's supposed to be. So if you can do different videos as an online business owner, teaching people how to walk through the steps of making sure that their mindset is where it needs to be, which can span out in so many different video ideas, topics, then you'll see that people will definitely watch your videos. I have a couple of mindset hack videos as well as motivational videos on my channel. I'll make sure that I put one right here as well as in the description box down below so that you can check them out. Especially if you're in the beginning of your entrepreneurship endeavors, you find that there are usually a lot of limiting beliefs and just different things that you have to work out in terms of helping your mind to get set to a healthier place. And when you do that different mindset work, you'll find you can set up different perimeters as well as motivational factors that will really help you consistently moving forward past that place of feeling like you're totally limited. So even in me explaining that, I feel like it's super interesting. Also being a psych major as well, so anything concerning the mind and the brain is like, yes, I love it. How can we work to get our minds and our brains better? But people are totally, especially in this time and in this place in the world that we're living in, where things are really just spiraling out of control, people are trying to get centered, and in order for them to be able to do that, they have to work on their mindset, right? Those limiting beliefs, those fears, those issues, whatever have you. So do a bunch of video ideas that are surrounding motivation, and you'll find that people will definitely tap into your videos because they're looking for different answers surrounding these things. Next, if you can do videos surrounding collaborations, where maybe you can search out different YouTubers that have smaller channels if you're just starting, or just people that are maybe at the same place on their journey as you in terms of business building or your particular niche. You want to make sure that you seek out different people to do a collaboration with. Now, I know if you've never done collaborations before, you're like, oh my goodness, what if the person rejects me, or what if they don't answer me? Don't worry about that. That's super small stuff. This is why people have different business email addresses, so you can simply go ahead and put together some kind of template outline of an email, just letting them know that you found their YouTube channel, you think it's absolutely amazing, and not only that, but it's in the same niche. So you can simply ask them, would you like to do a collaboration video? Whereas maybe I can give my audience 5 tips, and then you give your audience 5 tips, and then direct them to me, and then I can direct my audience to you. And this will help you guys both to be able to open up your audience to another person's YouTube channel, but then at the same time you can do that collaboration and maybe develop that relationship, which is something that is super duper important. So if you do videos that are surrounding different collaborations with other YouTubers, you're really giving your audience value by introducing them to somebody else that's in your niche. So maybe the things that you're not necessarily covering on your channel, they'll have the opportunity to be able to find on another person's channel. And like I mentioned, if they have maybe some more followers than you have, you'll find that you'll gain that audience if you are doing the videos on your channel that they're definitely interested in. So this is a great way, one, to be able to connect, but definitely for you to be able to come up with different video ideas that would allow for you to connect once again to different YouTubers. So in the comments down below, let me know which one of my 7 tips you're gonna go ahead and apply to your channel right away. Which video ideas are you gonna come up with? Are you gonna do vlogging video ideas, or are you gonna go ahead and do a collaboration with maybe another YouTuber that you're gonna email and reach out to try to see if they can come up with some amazing video ideas for their channel as well as yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, I'm super duper excited about the new video ideas that you have that are going to be able to help you to build your client and customer base, as well as helping you in terms of your viewership going out. I'm super excited about what it is that you're gonna go ahead and produce. There's one more thing that I absolutely have to let you know, and that is that I believe in you. Go ahead, do me a favor and subscribe, hit the little bell for updates, and I'll see you again here soon. Ciao.